Hi, my loved ones. Today I would like to teach you how to dance shake it to the max. Uh, kind of this older woman version, I guess, but we can enjoy the trend too, right? So let's start. First, if you are not standing in your alignment, I would like you to check your PDF and call in the energy of the earth up the front, over, down the back. Up the front, over, down both of your feet back. Down both of your arm and hand too. One more. One more. One more. Okay. Now, you should be in your best form possible, right? Just standing tall. Okay, all your muscle holding itself. And now we're gonna start shake it to the max dance trend. First, we go with toot, toot, toot. You can shoot right here, shoot right here, shoot right here. Shoot, shoot, shoot. And then toot, toot, toot. And put your hands up. Make sure your body hold. And one, step to the front. Push your psoas. Push from the toes all the way up your knee. Wave. Wave. If you wave all the way, it's gonna look like this. But you want to isolate it and stop the wave right where your chest is, so it look isolated. Yeah. And then and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 feet together. Step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You can use your leg. You don't have to use your legs, up to you, but your hips roll clockwise. Go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and and 8 and You want to step right, left to realign. If you step only left, only right in, your energy will stuck here still. You wanna left back to the center. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then you go with your hand. 1 and 2. Your hips go to the left twice. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Back to the right. And then you go. Your feet step left and then open out. You see how I open? Open. It's gonna look like this if you don't isolate. But if you isolate, it's gonna look like this with a little hold back. 5 and then rotate back right here. And 6, 7. This is not isolate. This is isolate. 7 and 8. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You see, I kind of complete the circle. The hand you can do right here. This is the easier version. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I was doing 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It can be done too. I kind of rotate my upper. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The left is still working on it. You see how it's kind of hard? Okay. Okay? So let's start from the top one more time. Start from shoot, shoot, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now you're gonna throw. When you throw, you see my body turn. Throw. Throw. Your hand up with energy, not go like this. Go like this. Throw 1. Wave down. Wave down. Wave down. Again. 1. Wave down. Wave down. Wave down. Let your finger go to the right, to the left hip, to the right hip. Boom, 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 do, 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 do. Boom, boom. With your chest, hit your own wall right here. Boom, 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 boom. boom, 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 boom. Same. I would like you to do the right and left too. Now it's gonna be challenge because nobody did the left. Try to copy the right. Okay, go. Hit. Remember, hit the wall. Hit, and then flow back. Flow here. Flow here. Let's hit. Or me, I cannot do it too. Okay, hit right here. Hit right here. So hit right here. But this chest go this way too. Hit. Go back. Go back. Go back. And hit. Go back. Go back. Go back. Let's both. Side, side, side. Let's both. Side, side, and side. Okay. You got it. We got it. One more time. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoot, shoot, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Hit. Down, 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 and hit. Down, 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 and hip, 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 hip. Just play around now. Hip, 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 hip. Let's go, 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 go. Yay! Thank you so much for learning with me today. What I want to tell you is number 1, energy come, energy down, energy out. Do it 10 times in your head. 1, 2. That's how you realign. Dance or not dance. Walking around, okay? Second thing, when you do the right, try to do the left. Do the right, try to do the left. I still not getting my left in. See? Practice your left too. So your energetic flow both sides. Even though the trend is this way, you can still do it on your own on this way. You see how I go down instead of go up? Up. So practice your left until it become your second nature. See, open neck. As soon as you get your right in, just copy it. Remember how it feels. Now get your left aligned and symmetrical for yourself. Geometric patterns mean it's symmetrical, it equal, it parallel. Left and right should be in practice equally. So yeah, that's my mission for the world. Tell people to dance with your left too. Damn, I'm still not getting it. Thank you, dear. Have a good one. Bye bye. Oh, check out my full dance right here. Bye.
And if you hear this song, then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.